Configuring your access point antenna. First is to reset the antenna. For brand new, no need to reset. Press and hold the reset button for almost 10 seconds until all light is blinking. We have now reset the antenna. The next step is to configure the Wi-Fi name and the network LAN IP. Step 1. Connect to your antenna Wi-Fi. The antenna name is Wavlink, so let's connect it for us to be able to configure our antenna. Step 2. Open any browser you want or you use in your daily life cycle. I use Samsung Internet Browser, but you can use any browser you like. Step 3. Enter the default LAN IP. Example for my antenna is 192.168.10.1, but it depends on what antenna you are using. After you open the IP, type the default admin password. Now you are logged in. Now you need to choose country, region, time zone. After that, you need to set up your admin password. Make sure you will never forget it. Next step, we need to set up the Wi-Fi name for our customer to know and connect to it. I enter the name of the owner of the Vendo machine. Our antenna has a 2G and 5G, so better separate it. Wait for it to finish. Now connect to the antenna. Make sure you remember the Wi-Fi name. After you save it, the antenna will restart and you need to type the admin password. Make sure you remember it or else you will go start from the beginning. The next step is to make your antenna as an access point for your Vendo machine. You need to put the default IP on your Vendo to make a connection to your antenna. Most Vendo machine has a default IP. Our Vendo has 10.0.31.1. The subnet mask is to 55.255.255.0. The gateway is the IP address of your Vendo 10.0.31.1. Google DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. After you save it, wait for 1-3 minutes, depends on your antenna speed. When it's done, you all set. After we set up the antenna, now let's try it. First we need to connect to the Vendo antenna. After you connect, open any browser you want and type in the search bar 10.0.0.1. Now we're in. Let's try to insert coin. There you have it. Done, you are now connected. And if you want to pause your time, just do the same and click the pause button. And if you are bored, just click the continue to resume your time. Some Vendo has auto pause. When you disconnected to the Vendo Wi-Fi, your time will automatically pause even if you forgot to click the You can now enjoy your Peso. Next thing we will do is to configure the Wi-Fi rates. First is to access the admin. Just type 10.0.0.1 admin. Now enter the username and password of your Vendo. First is to change your Vendo password for secured purposes. Make sure to not forget it or else you will have to ask the Vendo installer for reset password. In the dashboard panel you will see all Wi-Fi clients, desktop client, charging clients, today's sales, overall sales, etc. Now let's change the Wi-Fi rates depending on your Vendo owner. This Vendo is made for friendly user, so no need to worry about. Just read and understand it and you will surely get it in no time. As you all see, I changed the time for every coins, because the owner wants it that way. Now let's change the name and tagline. Just ask the owner. They know much better than you do, lol. Now let's see our banners. You can change it if you want. You can also change the audio and sound effect. It's all depends to you or the owner. Just be creative, that's all. That is all for this video. On our next video I will show you how to remote your Vendo machine anywhere using Grok. Just like, share and subscribe for will not miss our new videos. Stay tuned. Shout out to Sir Jack and also to his wife Cindy Rose. Shout out also to CJV Store in Panelon and also to Sir John Mark.